Hello, this is David Heeks with Heeks Farm. It is Tuesday, May 13th. We have had quite a bit of rain over the past few days, maybe 2 inches. It's been kind of steady, so the berries really haven't had a chance to dry out. We did get some sun today, and I was able to blow dry the beds to get the water off of the strawberries. Here's what we're dealing with. We have some beautifully ripe berries, and you can see the skin is just kind of, I don't know, like kind of opening up. And then of course where it sits on the water, it kind of turns pale. So, you know, you could see the inside of the berry. They taste absolutely amazing. So there's just like so many of these berries in the field. See that skin? They're so good. So a little like that at the top. I don't know what to do with them.